5 organizations of Kwakta, All Kwakta Coordinating Committee, and MPYA, AKYVO, Anjuman and Jamtu Ulama locked Kwakta Primary Health Center today to protest over persistent shortage of staff. The protest comes after failure of repeated appeals made to the authority concerned. Media coordinator of All Kwakta Coordinating Committee, Mohammed Abdul Barik, stated that the PHC has been locked due to negligence from authorities despite repeated requests, which yielded no positive response. Barik warned that if the situation does not improve, CSOs and clubs will unite to escalate their actions, potentially leading to shutdown of PHC and blocking Tidim Road along the National Highway.
October gate 7 the print and electronic media the hospital sigi doctor amadi nurse awat pagi tang da koi face note thokibs lai gravni adong asi phau bai koi sarkar na airiba koi Kwakta PHC asigi awat pa doctor amadi nurse asi thabi raktabna maram oiraga ngaram khoi matam thajagibni October gate 12 phau aduna ngasi October gate 13 yaure hospital sida koi doctor anoba nurse adagi koi staff thabi raktabna maram oiraga ngasi dagi following sir.
Sapam Brajamani, a resident of Kangvai currently staying at Anita Standard High School Relief Camp, highlighted the challenges faced by victims of the ongoing conflict while seeking treatment at the primary health center. He noted that many individuals are falling ill and emphasized the urgent need for authorities to address the staffing shortages at the PHC. Brajamani appealed for improved medical treatment facilities to support over 30,000 residents in and around Kwakta who are struggling with healthcare access amid the ongoing crisis.
Kwakta gi primary health center sigi awat pa doctor am din nursing wat pagi longcha da basi gi damak ta thabir na hai tuna press conference tawdana phongtok ram matu da tang trakong doi gi thingne abdo ai isa mak khang jawdre aduna ngasai gi hariba asi leiram badagi ai isa mak silai ngen lakse base huji huji ma ai relief te leibani na project se yamna kudong thiba haiba tare aduna ai gi family su loina mak project se ana bang aktani aduna hariba sing sita koi red zone area oibani na leiriba koi gi medical officer sing amati mari leina health department sing na yarba athu matam da koi gi leiriba surrounding 30,000 more than peoples ni aduna haribasida aikona karigumba hospital sin thinjan gi taragadi aikoi si huji huji asuki matik awaba gi matakta awaba mayok nare yaragadi sarkar gi maikei dagi aikoina athu matamda aikoi gi awatba doctor sing ase thabirtuna koi mapung phana aikoi ana layengda mai pakna wai pupu oisunu haina I thamjari.